So hi guys, this real-time adaptive traffic signal algorithm is now complete. So the program is working fine and it goes along the method or the algorithm that I want for this project. So the inspiration for this project is the area here in Barangay Luna, Surigao City, Philippines. So it's like three-way. There are like I identified 30 lanes for this project. For example, here going this sensor is for this light here, and this sensor is for the light, traffic light there, and this sensor is for traffic light here. Okay, so the action, or the supposedly the function, is when the sensor here detects vehicle, this traffic light will turn on, and then it will command all the vehicles to turn on, to go left. Okay, to go left. This one here, movement for this area here, in which this is the sensor, this will be the traffic light. The movement is either straight, go to the Gaisano, and here right side. Okay, the right side part of the area here in Barangay Luna, if we have seen the signage, right turn must turn right. Okay, and the movement for from Gaisano to the city proper, the sensor is the one here. Okay, this will be the sensor, this will be the traffic light indicator, and going to Quezon, this will be the ultrasonic sensor, and this will be the indicator. So if there are vehicles detected by the 3 lanes, the priority is actually equal, but I've set that the traffic light here will go first, traffic light here will go first, second here, and third there. So the algorithm, it searches for the first to arrive from the detected by the sensor, and of course it also detects whether the other 2 sensors has detection of vehicles. As you can see here, we have red, green, and yellow lights. For example, there are detected vehicles for 3 ultrasonic sensors. The sequence will be first, then second, then third. And then for the street lights, for the pedestrian light, there is a fixed time for it, and there are no sensor for that one, because I want that also the pedestrian will be prioritized. But only in reality, it will be 20 seconds for the pedestrian lane and 30 seconds each for the lane here. Okay, now if we try to see here in my project, I've only programmed it for 5 seconds, so we will not wait longer. So for 5, imagine like the main street light is 5 seconds, and the pedestrian light is for 5 seconds, and the yellow light is 3 seconds before it switches. So the ultrasonic sensor detects, I've programmed it like, if the interval for 3 seconds and there is no detection, so for that for the ultrasonic sensor, it will proceed to the green light indicated, which is 30 seconds, and then after that it will search us to other sensors that has detection of vehicles. Okay, like for example here, now all the sensors have detection for any types of vehicles. So I've used this as a demonstration only. So I've programmed the ultrasonic sensor with the distance capability of sensing, especially the echo and trigger. Like for example here, now it's pedestrian lane, red, and then green here. This is the sequence if there are vehicles detected from the 3 sensors. Okay, green, then yellow, then red, then green here. Okay, green, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow. Then red. After red, green here for pedestrian. Okay. And then after that, for the pedestrian, that's yellow, red, and then green here. So that's the sequence. Now, if only two sensors detect vehicle, like for example, I'll remove this one. Okay, so it will finish the actual time first, and then yellow, green here. Okay, the sequence. The next one will be the pedestrian. Okay, and the next one is this one. Now, since there is no detection here for the ultrasonic sensor, this traffic light here will be skipped. Okay, for example, green here, then yellow, then red, and the next one will be here, green. Okay, so that's the concept. So we can actually optimize the moving of vehicles. Like if there are no vehicles here present for about 3 seconds, and there are vehicles here and vehicles on this side, then they will only the 3 of them will have like changed of lights. Okay, alternating change of lights. This traffic light here, the traffic light here, and the fixed time for the pedestrian lane. Now, if we actually remove one more, and the remaining will be one sensor. So let's try to remove this one. Okay. So there are no sensors. There are no vehicle detected here. No vehicle detected here. So after that one, it will proceed with the pedestrian lane, and the detection is here. The sensor here, there are vehicles here, so this will be the only traffic light that will be working alongside with the pedestrian light. So that's the concept of real-time adaptive traffic light algorithm. So as you can see, only the two of them, the traffic light here and the pedestrian lane, are interchanging in terms of switching of traffic light. Now, if we remove all together, like there are no vehicles present, that's for my algorithm that we've researched also. Now, only the pedestrian lane will turn on green, yellow, green, only green, until, like for example, I will put like an obstacle here that will be the representation of the vehicle. Automatically, this one will turn on. Okay, that's green light. Green light. Okay. Now, the second one, let's put it here. And we will see that green, okay, yellow, the center, then red, then green, yellow, red, green. So I think the detection here, okay, the detection, sige. We will also try to put one more obstacle here. For example, here. Okay. So the light turned on because there is no detection. Yellow, red, green, yellow, red, no detection here. Okay, let's add some. Okay, so it will have detection. Okay, middle, yellow, then